Look at that.
That's what we're breathing. That's a pretty easy filter to change.
Yeah, it is. That's why I like them. And they do just as good job as that Blue Air.